Hey, this is Wayne here with Tri County Locksmith Service, and today we're going to be looking at the Penetrator drill bit, concrete, masonry, and rebar drill bit from Drill Bit Warehouse. Now you can see that these have 4 cutting heads, or 4 cutting pieces of carbide. And the reason that these work and cut through metal and steel encased in concrete is because of this 4-way cutting design. These are also made in Germany, as you can see there. This is a 3/8 drill bit. You can see the contact information and the part number here. And the reason that you need one of these to drill through rebar in concrete as opposed to a standard masonry bit is because the two cutting edges available here, what will happen is the rebar is different material than the concrete. So it will come into contact with it and then it will kind of skip. While carbide is very good at cutting through concrete and chipping that away and taking advantage of the hard properties of it, it doesn't do so well in steel. So what happens is every time that tooth or that side hits the metal, it moves your hole over. Okay, so if my finger is rebar, it's going to come in and it's going to try and deflect, or it's just simply going to break the carbide, because carbide is very easy to break. Okay, it's not like conventional steel. When it's impacted, it will snap and shatter. So what the 4 holes do is they keep this drill bit steady, so there is no gap on this side, allowing that bit to move over and ka-chunk, 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 or come by and allow so much room for that edge to be broken off. Every time that this edge is cutting and hitting the steel, it's being protected on this side, and this side to keep it centered in that hole. So we're going to try this out. We've got this big concrete block, and it's got all this metal that we've encased in here. The cinder block is not going to be that strong of a concrete, but this is high grade, high tensile strength concrete that is poured inside here. We have regular rebar, and you can see that it comes through to the other side. So these go all the way through this particular unit. So you're really going to get a chance to see how these bits perform. Now right here, we've got a very good quality bit. This is a Bosch bit, but it's only got the 2 cutting edges. So let's see how this works. Now I just want to show that once we hit that steel, it's pretty much stopped drilling. Whereas if we were to drill over here, or let's see, right here would be a good spot. So you can see that the steel is what is stopping this. Trying to do is it's trying to deflect that over and around it. Okay, and so we're not going to get a straight clean hole through here, and whatever you're drilling for, that's not going to be a very good way to do that. You're going to have a bend in your hole. So what we want to do is take this out. want to put in our penetrator bit. So you can see that that is lined up with that, and you can see how much easier that is to go ahead and drill right through something like